How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. I'm going to do a small series on eggs, just eggs, and I love eggs, and I've got 3 crackers, 3 recipes, 3 beautiful recipes, so it's a little small series on eggs, and I'm going to show you. I've got my eggs in there, organic, beautiful eggs, so yeah, I'm just going to go in and cook. Today I'll be making a delicious avocado egg salad, finish off with watercress using some beautiful organic eggs. First, add eggs to cold water. Bring to a boil. Turn off the heat and cover for 15 minutes. Next, finely diced onion. Add to a bowl, followed by jalapeno. This is optional, of course, but it goes so well with the salad, with a little kick. After 15 minutes, add cold water to the eggs and leave for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, peel and add to the bowl. I like to crush the eggs with my hands. There's no mess and I do like the texture. Make sure your hands are clean. Next, add grated garlic, avocado, green onion, and Greek yogurt. Lightly stir. Add lime juice to taste and salt and pepper. Wrap, now place in the fridge for 1 hour. For this, you've got to have grilled bread. It works so well. Finish off with watercress, thinly sliced radishes and black pepper. It's so simple to make. Go on, make it and tuck in. Thanks, guys.